Alright, so I'm going to show you how to use the IMSI mode, as we call it. This is the menu, so you're going to hit 5G mode auto, and then you're going to go up here to IMSI and GID. Okay, so it's going to ask for 15. This is the IMSI list, last one that I got, which was a while back. You can't really see it, but I usually give it to people. Now AT&T, this is an AT&T phone. The IMSI is only 7 digits. So what I want to do, since it's saying 15, so I'm going to put in the 7 here. So I'm going to go with 3104108. Then I'm going to hit 0000000 afterwards to make 15. Okay, see? Dang it. Let me see if I can turn off this light. Yeah, it's not going to work out too well. Okay, anyways, because the white is so bright. I got the IMSI number plus a bunch of zeros. So I'm going to click send. Well, this, I'm going to leave it alone. I'm going to leave what's in that box. I'm going to click send. And then the same thing for the third box. And then I'm going to click accept. Now, it might not even take this IMSI number. It just really depends. Because AT&T has a couple of IMSI numbers. You got to find the correct one. So we'll see if this is the correct one. If you get stuck on this screen, just leave it alone for a minute. It fights with itself. Now, if it don't bypass it after a few moments, then what you want to do is you want to click continue. Still might not bypass it. It might not be the, oh, there we go, the right IMSI, or it will, as you see. My carrier then came through it. So let's see if I got voicemail, and I still don't have voicemail with this one. So I'm gonna try to see something with settings, SIM applications. Okay, so it's showing Q-Link wireless. That's what I need it to show. Let's see if I can actually do this. So I want to see if I can actually input the APNs to get my voicemail. So I'm going to click T-Mobile LTE, which is probably not going to work. But I'm going to do it anyways because I don't care. Create APN, allow. Okay, so I'm going to go into settings, general, scroll all the way down to VPN device management. I'm going to install it. Install. Let's check, see if I got voicemail. The thing about I love about the 14 Pro Max is that it shuts down pretty quickly and it boots up pretty quickly. Other than that, it's the same damn phone. 12 Pro Max. Except for I broke mine and I work on phones and I don't feel like fixing my own. And I still don't have voicemail. There is a fix for this, but like I said, I'm not going to fight with visual voicemail because I personally don't care. Maybe you do, but I can't fix all your problems. The only thing I do is sell them. I sell them and I show you that they actually work. So if it works for me, it's going to work for you. You got to have patience. You got to know what you're doing, and you cannot expect that you're automatically going to put it in your phone and it's going to unlock it, because nothing is plug and play. These are mainly plug and play, but you will run into issues. I run into a lot of issues, and I spend hours working on a phone trying to figure out the right combination to get it unlocked. I've never had a problem with MKSD. The Ultra 5.4, 5.3, 5.1. I did not like 5.2. They all will actually unlock. And as you see, which I can remove that now. I don't even need it. Because the phone's actually getting unlocked. So as you see, it's SIM locked, and you know, it's on 16.6. And that's the newest. Yes. It's not going to stop unlocking. But the cool thing about 5.4 is you got all these extra options. Let me fix my camera. I hate this thing. I don't know what that is. No clue. And I don't know what eSIM is. I do not do eSIM. That is why I converted this phone to SIM card, because I personally like my SIM card. I don't like digital things. So hopefully this helps you to understand the IMSI mode so you can install it. If you have any questions, contact me. All my information is there. And I do not mind helping. If I do not answer, I am sleeping. That is the only time I do not answer. Please be patient. I do run a cell phone repair shop, and I do get extremely busy at times while doing personal things. But I will help you in any way that you need.